Welcome guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create circular linked list. We will create all the function using menu driven, and here few function we will construct. Here insert begin and insert end, delete begin and delete end, delete before searching element and delete after searching element, and then display. So don't need to write full code, and I will give you a link from where you will get whole code. Just watch this video carefully and then try to write this code. Now I write this code, then I want to first include the header file all which is required in this program. Then I want to declare type def structure, and I want to give it the node type, name node in data, and then this is the two types, one is data and another is next, because it is a circular linked list. So one will be the data part and another will be the pointer part. Struct node start next. I want to give the same name as it is above shown. Now I want to declare some variable. I will create a node function which will create all the time when we will call it, it will create a node, and then void insert big for insert node at the first position, and then insert node at the last position, then delete at the first node, delete at the last node, delete before searching element, delete after searching element, then we will display it. See, I have created insert begin insert end, what I have said just now, and then I want to create main function. Then I want to write its body part, and I want to declare a variable which is the name start, and which is the type of pointer, and it is the data type is node, and I want to give it just attach. It will not pointer to anywhere. Then what I will do, then I will do just I want to give a heading circular linked list. I have given this heading, this is circular linked list. Whenever we will run this program, it will show the first at the top of the compile program. Then I want to give the name, and I want to declare a variable int ch. It will choose the input which will be given by the user. Then we will run a while loop. Then wherever we will give what I have said earlier, I have said that it will be menu driven. So for menu driven we have to continue a while loop, and it will be the condition will be 1, means it always true. When it will false, then it will exit the program and it will stop the whole program. And I have written a printf function where it will show the input any message where I press 1 to insert begin, press 2 for insert last, and press 3 for delete first, and press 4 for delete last, and press 5 to delete before searching element, press 6 to delete after searching element, press 7 to display, press 8 to exit. So now what I have to do, I have to say user that just give a choice. So now I want to use printf, enter your choice, enter your choice, and it will store using scanf %d, and it will ch. We have mentioned it before that this is the ch. What we will give input, it will store here, and at that time we will construct a while loop. We will construct a switch case where if user give 1, then it will call the insert begin function, and press 2 for insert last, press 3 for delete first, press 4 for delete last. And I have used a switch case. It will according to the giving input by user, it will call the function simultaneously. Then if you give press 8 to exit the program, it will at first clear the screen whatever written in the screen, and then it will show a thank you message, and this program will exit. And by default, if user give another input rather than 1 to 8, then it will show this wrong input, choose again. And then again, as it is in the while loop, it will call this at the beginning also. So I have to, now our task is I have to create node create function. So I want to create it. So I want to give a I have declared a temp variable, and it will allocate memory. So I have to create use malloc, and its size is node type. And then what I have to do is that I have to tell the user to give the enter new node. When I will give this message, then enter will give the new node data, then it will given by %d, and it will store by %d, then temp arrow data. Then what, as it is the two part, one is data part and one is next part, then temp next, as it is new node, its next will be null, and we will fix it at the inside begin or inside end function also. Then temp next equals to null, and then it will return temp. So I have created node create function. Then I have to create the insert begin function. Then I want to create it insert begin node start. I have given the start. Start means it is the first node of the linked list. If we lost this address, we will lose all the element of the circular linked list. So be careful about it modifying time. Then temp, then ptr equals to create. Whatever new node will create, it will store in the ptr. So I want to create, if I want to say again, don't need to write code, I will give a link from where you will get full code. Just watch the video and understand it very clearly. If start equals to null, it means no node present. It will check this condition also. Then what happen? Then start equals to ptr, and ptr next will be the start, because as it is the first link node, then it will also next part will be the same. It means it next part will store the address of itself. Else if one node present, then what happen? Then it will, I want to initialize it start, then while temp next not equals to null, means I have to traverse all the linked list. Temp next not equals to start, sorry, for null when circular linked list or double linked list, and for circular linked list it means when temp next not equals to start. When temp next equals to start, when we will go at the last node of the circular linked list. When start, then what happen? Then temp equals to temp next, because we have to traverse it. Temps next. Then I have, after it's compiling all the time, we will get in the temp variable at the last node. Then temp next will be the new pointer what we have created just now, and then ptr next will be the start, because at the last next will be the ptr new pointer as the I have said see, it's carefully, it is the insert begin. We have created a node which will stay at the first position of the circular linked list, and its next will be the first node what I have present before. Okay, now ptr next equals to start, and I have to give the start equals to ptr. Be careful about the first, because I have to modify as well as I have to modify it, and as well as we have to maintain the start very carefully. Then I want to give a message after inserting node insertion at the first position at the beginning position successfully. Then semicolon, and see this insert begin function we have created, and now we have to create the insert end. We will insert node at the end position. Then it's, see, the double pointer is used to store the address of the another pointer. So we will declare some pointer which is the type of node ptr and start temp. And then I want to, as I have discussed before, we will store the new point node at ptr, and if start equals to null, it means no node present, then we will do start equals to ptr, and then ptr next will be the start. And for else part, it means it's already present a node, then what it will do, temp equals to, it will initialize. I have said why it will initialize, and then what happened, then we have to also continue a loop, this temp next not equals to start. Then what you have to do, temp equals to temp next. Now I have to temp next will be the ptr, and then ptr next will be the start. Now after inserting the node at the last position, I want to give a message, that is node insertion at the last position successfully. So I have created this function, the insert end. Now I want to create the delete first. Then it will, parameter will be the node type, and then I want to create some variable. Then it will, then what you have to do, I want to delete, and we have to check if this is empty or not. If it is empty, then it will give a message that if printf linked list is empty, at first enter some data and then try to delete. Else it's, if node is present, then what happen, then ptr equals to start, and then if ptr next, it means if one node present, then what happen, we have to just free this pointer, and its start will be null, equals to null. Otherwise, if more than one node present, then what happen, then this else part will execute. What it will do, I have always declare that some variable, and it will help us to traverse and delete the node, then it not equals to start, then what happen, then carpetier equals to carpetier next. It will traverse and it will go to the last and it will delete as well. I will write two lines where it will delete the node and modify the linked list, and it will print the delete first node successfully. Then what I have to do, carpetier next equals to start next. Now start equals to start next, because we have to modify. If we do not modify, we will lose the whole linked list, and then I have to free the ptr. Free ptr. In this line we have deleted this node, and then we will print that delete first node successfully. Okay, done. We have created delete first node. Now we have to create the delete last node. Void delete last. We just want to create, as we have done, some parameter, and we will create some variable which will help us to modify and delete the node. If start equals to null, we will give the same message. That at first delete it, at first give the linked list is empty, and at first enter some data and then try to delete, and else part will execute when if node is present. Then ptr equals to start, we will traverse the linked list, and if only one node present, if ptr next equals to start, then what happen, we will just delete the first node, and then we will print a message that delete last node at the end position, delete last node successfully. Else part will execute when more than one node present. Then we have to also traverse the same way I have told. Ptr next not equals to start. Then what you have to do, pre ptr, we have to store the as well as the current point node as well as the previous node. Then ptr equals to ptr next. Then pre ptr next will be the start, because we have deleted and then we have to modify it. And in this line we will free this, and it will give a message that delete node successfully. Ptr, then printf delete last node successfully. Then I have created the delete first, delete last, insert begin, insert end. Now I have to create the display. Void display node start. As we have declared some variable, we have to declare, and because for modifying, don't need to modify, we just traverse. If start equals to null, it means here if only one node present, it means no node present, then it will show that linked list empty. Circular link list empty, empty, empty. Then okay, some modify, don't need to print again and again, just I want to give it if node is present, then what happen, then it will print, it will do for the else part, and it will happen in the else part. We will declare ptr equals to start, just one start, because I have used only single pointer, so for this reason you have to return only the start. If printf then we have to traverse while ptr next not equals to start, because only the next will be the ptr next equals to when start, when we will reach at the last node of the circular linked list, not equals to start. Then what happen, printf %d ptr data, and then we have to go to the next node, ptr next, ptr equals to ptr next, and I want to print the also a node which will remain ptr data. Then we will show this the if you write this line, it will show a good way that it will contain the last node's address contain the first node address. So %d /n, then start data. So we have done 5 function: insert begin, insert end, delete first, delete last, display. We have to create only remain 2 function: delete before searching element, delete after searching element. It is very important to remember, and always you have to check a special case also. So I want to write body part delete before searching element, CHELM, just shortcut for the shortcut. I want to, as I have always created some pointer, and then it is the previous pointer, and CRPTR means current pointer, and this will be pre means it will always the current pointer's previous and also its previous pointer. Then int search element, it will store which user will give a element which will present or not, and it will check how many times loop will execute. ptr equals to start, and then if start equals to null, then it will print that linked list is empty and you can't perform this operation. First enter some node and then try to delete, and it will return. Else if node is present, and we will check it for the if only one node present, we want to check it if only one node present, then we can't delete it, because we are searching the, if we are searching the first node, then delete before searching element means first node's previous element have no element present, then it will show a message that it is not possible. ptr next equals to start. Then here one node present, delete not possible, and else if more than one node present, then what happen, then it will call this else part. See very carefully, we have to check many condition for this. Then we have to just give while loop, and then carpetier data not equals to search element. Then what happen, then we will, I have said earlier, we will declare it check, we have declared a checker, and it will what happen, it will checker will handle if we want to delete first node. If carpetier data not equals to search element, then what happen, then we have to traverse ptr equals to preptr equals to preptr tr preptr preptr. Then what happen, preptr equals to carpetier, and carpetier equals to carpetier next, because in this way you have to traverse it, unless you can't do it. And if carpetier data equals to search element, then what happen, then we will give a message data found, and then we will if checker equals to 2, then checker when it will check when we want to user want to delete the first node. Then what happen, then this part will execute, and in this way you will create the delete after searching element. I will give code from where you will I will give a link from where you will get full code. Now I want to run it. I have created, and see it will so this circular linked list we give a heading, press 1 to insert begin, press 1, then new node I want to give 10, then see node insertion at the beginning position successfully. Then I want to show if it is really have inserted or not, then press 7, see 10 is inserted, and this arrow I have said when I have created this display function, it will show us a tricky way that it will store the first elements address. Then press 2 for 20, and it will see the insert last. If we see this using press 7, then it will see this. And delete first, I want to delete it, press 3 for delete first. It means 10 will be deleted. See it will delete it or not. 3 delete first node successfully. Now I want to show this if 10 is deleted or not. Press 7, see 10 is deleted, only 20 is present. I want to delete the last node, press 4, see delete last node successfully. Then I want to show it, see your linked list is empty. Now I want to insert again, I want to show you the press 5 and 6 to delete before searching element and delete after searching element. So I want to insert some node, because I have deleted all these things, 10, 20, then 30, then 40. Then I want to what I have given, and this is all the linked list. This delete before searching element, press 5. I have entered searching element. Here as 4 node present. Now I want to search 30 and 20 will be deleted. I have said 30. See, data found, delete node before searching element successfully, means I have searched 30, means it will delete 20. See, 20 is deleted or not. Press 7. See, 20 is deleted. Now I want to perform press 6 to delete after searching element, means I will search 30 and it will delete it 40 or not. See, press 6. Say enter searching element. Now I want to give 30, means it will delete the delete after searching element, means I want to search it 30 and it will delete the 40. If it is deleted or not, I want to show it. See, data delete node after searching element successfully, then it means 40 will be deleted, then only 10 and 30 will be present, then I want to show it. See, 10 and 30 and press 8 to exit. It means it will clear a screen and it will say thank you. So if you like this video, just give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you see this video is helpful for you, and also share this video to your friends. And now I want to show you a Discord server. You will just post any question and you will solve the you will get very quickly the solution. Here very many coders are present, and if you want to join this server and want to code and help someone, and you get solution code quickly, then just join this server, and see you in next video.